Want to enhance your sexual energy and performance naturally? Forget about chemical products. With just a few natural ingredients from your kitchen, you can prepare a powerful mix that boosts circulation, increases energy, and supports your overall sexual health. Curious? Let's uncover this miraculous recipe together. Modern life, with its stress, poor diets, and sedentary lifestyles, can negatively affect sexual performance. While chemical supplements offer quick solutions, they often come with side effects and short-lived results. Natural remedies, on the other hand, provide long-term benefits and improve your overall well-being. This recipe is crafted with ingredients trusted for centuries for their health-boosting properties. Every ingredient in this mix is carefully chosen to boost sexual energy and enhance overall health. Honey, a natural energy source that helps increase testosterone levels. Ginger improves blood circulation and expands blood vessels, enhancing sexual performance. Walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they balance hormones and improve sperm quality. Cinnamon, known for its aphrodisiac effects, it increases blood flow and libido. Lemon juice detoxifies the body and provides a natural energy boost. Carob molasses, a natural libido enhancer trusted for its sexual health benefits. Natural sexual power booster recipe, ingredients, 2 tablespoons of natural honey, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped walnuts, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of carob molasses. Preparation, Combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Mix well until the texture is smooth and even. Store the mixture in a glass jar for daily use. Usage, Take 1 teaspoon of the mix in the morning and another in the evening. With regular use, you'll notice increased energy and improved performance. If you have chronic health conditions or allergies, consult your doctor before using this mixture. Consistency is key. Natural remedies take time to show their full effects, so be patient. A balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle will amplify the results of this recipe. If you're excited to try this recipe, let us know your results in the comments. For more natural remedies and healthy living tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next video.